that was thrown, and I thought it was going to be way out of bounds.
There's very few guys in the league that can catch a lot like that. Obi Toppin is definitely one of them.
And he came, by the way, for 2 second-rounders.
There's a pass out to Keon Johnson. Forget that. Collier races to the rack. Oh, my goodness. He was hanging up on the rim, and he took a hard fall. But watch this replay.
Yeah, you got the contact right there. And
Cartwheels down. Oh,
yep.
Shoulder, maybe a little chin music as well.
Well, one of the things you just like to look out for is that he doesn't try to catch himself on his wrist. Kind of a soft.
This is the guy you worry about. He's going to get his. Not that time, though.
Now you got to make him pay here.
Going to be a lob.
Trace error. That's how you make them pay.
Thibodeau.
It's one thing to turn the team over or to force a team into bad shots. But when you turn them over